Hello students, today in this video session I am going to teach you mathematics, chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is telling the time. So we all know that this is a clock. Clock is used to know the time. The flat surface of the clock is known as face or dial. It has two hands, just like you. It has two hands, but one hand is short and the other hand is long. The short hand is also called the hour hand, and it shows the hour. Now see, a day has 24 hours, and the hour hand completes, here we have till 12. So the hour hand will complete 2 rounds. Understood? When it completes 2 rounds, then 12 plus 12 is equal to 24 hours, and 24 hours is equal to 1 day. The long hand is called the minute hand, and it shows the minutes. Come, I will teach you to see time. See, the short one is the hour hand, and the short one is in 4, and the long hand is in 12. So we will say this 4 o'clock. Similarly, the short hand is in 6 and the long hand is in 12. So what's the time now? It is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock because the short hour hand is in 6 and the long minute hand is in 12. So this is 6 o'clock. When it is 6 o'clock, we say it's 6 o'clock, but while writing, we write 6 colon 0 0. This is 6 o'clock. Okay? Now see, before learning the chapter, we should learn some basics. That is, when the minute hand moves all around the clock from 12 to 12, an hour passes. When the minute hand moves all around the clock, it will move all around the clock. The minute hand will move all around the clock. Then an hour passes. Okay? See, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 30 minutes is equal to 1 half of an hour. And 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Now we are going to learn time to the half an hour. As I told you, 30 minutes is equal to 1 half an hour. Now see, we are going to learn time to half an hour. As I told you, 30 minutes is equal to 1 half of an hour. Now see, the hour hand is in between 3 and 4. Is in between 3 and 4, and the minute hand is in 6. So what is the time now? Can anyone say what's the time now? It is 3:30 or it is 3:30. Okay? See, it is in between 3 and 4 and the minute hand is in 6. So this is, we call 3:30 or 3:30. One more example I am showing you. See, the hour hand is in between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is in 6. So we say 2:30 or we can also say 2:30. Clear? Next is telling time to nearest 5. Now see, when the hour hand means the short one, okay? When the hour hand moves from one number to other, then 1 hour passes. Clear? When the minute hand, which one is the minute hand? The long one, isn't it? When the minute hand moves from one number to the other, 5 minutes passes. Clear? When the minute hand will move from one number to the other, 5 minutes will pass. And when the hour hand will move from one number to the other, an hour passes. Suppose, see, what is the time now? The hour hand is in 2 and the minute hand is in 12. So this is 2 o'clock. Clear? Now when this shorthand means the hour hand will move from one number to the other, that is from 2 to 3, then what happens? An hour passes. And when this long hand, that is the minute hand, will move from one number to the other, then 5 minutes passes. Now, telling time to nearest 5 minutes. I am going to teach you nearest 5 minutes. Now see. So, you all know what is the time now? It is 3 o'clock, isn't it? We say this is 3 o'clock. And when the minute hand is in 5, what do we say? What do we say? 3 past 5. Now see, telling time to nearest 5 minutes. I am going to teach you telling time to nearest 5 minutes. Suppose, what is the time now? Can anyone say? This is 3 o'clock, isn't it? Now, when I change the minute hand, what is the time now? 5 minutes past 3. Clear? And if I change it here, then 10 minutes past 3. Now see, telling time to quarter hour. Quarter means 1/4 of the total. The minute hand move 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 of the circle in moving from 12 to 3. Just little before we have learned to the nearest 5, isn't it? Now we will learn quarter past. Now see. Quarter means 1/4. Clear? So, what is the time now? This is quarter past 12, or we can also say 12:15. Quarter past means 1/4. Now see, what do we say? Quarter past 1 or 1:15. Clear? Hope you all have enjoyed watching time, isn't it? Next is calendar. So, our next topic is calendar. You see, this is a calendar. So, how many months are there in a year? We have already learned this in our previous classes, isn't it? 12 months make 1 year. What are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. How many weeks makes a year? 52 weeks makes a year. And how many days makes a year? In a year, how many days are there? There are 365 days in a year. Now see, 30 and 31 days combines and makes a year. I am going to say you which month have 31 days and which month have 30 days. January, March, May, July, August, October, December. These months have 31 days, and the months having 30 days are April, June, September, November, except February. How many days February has? How many? 30 or 31? February has 28 days. Okay? You know what's a leap year? The time taken by Earth to circle the Sun in 365 1/4 days. Clear? It takes 365 1/4 days. The 365 days makes a year in our calendar. Those left over 1/4 days in 4 years combine and make a complete day. It will combine and it will make a complete day, which is added in every 4th year. And in the month of February, we have 29 days in every 4 years. Thus, every 4th year has one extra day, that is 366 days. Generally, we have 365 days, but when it is leap year, in every 4 years, we will have 366 days. And it is called leap year, and the extra day is added in the month of February. Dear children, please go through your books, study well, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.